Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm excited to be sharing with you that Algorand mainnet is finally live on Genadrop beta. So you guys can start minting your favorite collection and one of ones to Algorand mainnet using Genadrop. Not sure how to mint to Algorand mainnet using Genadrop? Don't worry. I'll be showing you how to mint in few easy steps. First, we go over to our mint page. And before we can be able to do anything on the mint page, we need to connect our wallet. And since we want to mint on Algorand, we select Algorand and also click on the wallet connect option. It pops up with this a QR code for us to scan. We are going to scan it using our Argo app, which is on our mobile device. If you're still not sure how to set up your Argo wallet on your mobile device, I previously made a video on that, so please go make sure you go watch it. Yeah, so if you can see on the top nav bar, our wallet is connected to the Algorand mainnet. This is it. So now we want to mint one of one. So this is the option to mint a collection, and this is also option to mint one of one. So for this video, we're going to be minting one of one, and one of my favorite artworks. So we're going to be minting it to Algorand mainnet. Yeah. So we'll browse file, click on browse file, go look for the art. Okay, yeah, this is it. Click open, and as you can see right away, number of assets is one, and minting price is 0.1 algo. So here we can set the description for the art, like title. Let's see, art and description. Okay, attributes is now we just give an attribute for our arts. Here, once we select our minting price, then it's easy for us to list our arts, our NFT, sorry, to the marketplace from our dashboard. So here, I want to be listing my NFT at 5 algo. So yes, I input list price at 5 algo already. We already collected to Algorand, so this is showing you Algorand. So to complete the process, we now click on mint. Now it's up, as you can see, it's uploading to IPFS, and once it's done, it's going to bring up a pop-up that will prompt you to confirm the transaction on your wallet. So make sure that at all times your Algo wallet on your mobile app is always on or open rather. So now I just got a confirmation to confirm this transaction, minting transaction. So yeah, I just did. Now as you can see, it's confirming transaction. Yeah, here you see mint successful. Go to dashboard, check block explorer. Let's go over to block explorer. Yeah, and you can see this is the Algorand mainnet. We minted to the Algorand mainnet, and this is my art. This is the title I gave it and the description, and also you can see see the IPFS link. Yep. Or yeah, this is my wallet address. Exactly my wallet address. LZFTB, blah blah blah, and ending with YU. So yeah, we just minted on our very first one of one to Algorand mainnet. So let's now go back to Genadrop and I'll go to our dashboard. Okay, yeah, you can see it's loaded. So we'll click on our NFT card to see the details. Yeah, as you can see, this is our NFT art. This is the attribute rainbow, color rainbow, man, black man, and this is the price history starting at 5 Algorand. So these are the metadata. So we are going to list our art so that it becomes visible on the explore page, so that people or collectors rather they can see it and buy it up from the marketplace. So now we are listed by simply clicking that button, and then let's head over to our explore page and check out our NFT. Yeah, so let's go to view all. Yeah, you can see this is our art. So it's been listed for 5 Algorand, and this is me. This is created by me. This is my wallet address. Yep. So to buy, I simply need to click on buy and hit buy now. But I don't want to buy my own NFT just yet. So let me close this off for now. I'll show you how to buy other awesome NFTs on our next video. But for now, this is how to just simply mint your one of one NFT on Algorand mainnet and then list it on Genadrop marketplace. So thank you for watching.